When you pass away with a rental portfolio, your spouse will have to figure out how to do the tenant relationships, lease agreements, contract relationships, maintenance, capex, turnover, finances, taxes, cash flow distributions, all of these things related to the rental property operations. And it's very likely that when you are the one who's building that rental portfolio, you have all the experience of building it, maintaining it, dealing with the tenants, contractors, etc., and that your spouse doesn't have that experience. And so when you pass away and they're near the end of their life, it's likely they don't have the energy or the wherewithal to figure out how to manage that rental portfolio. So one of the ways that you can get around this is to put the rental portfolio inside of an LLC and set up the operating agreement with rules, frameworks, and guidelines on how to manage a rental portfolio. Then you can put the LLC membership interest inside of a revocable trust and put rules, frameworks, and guidelines on how the backup trustee would take care of the LLC membership interest. That way, you have someone, let's say it's a child that is responsible enough to manage your rental portfolio and the assets inside the trust. That individual can manage the operations of the rental portfolio inside of the LLC, and then they can also manage the ownership of that LLC inside the revocable trust. That way, your spouse can benefit from that rental portfolio without having to take on the responsibility of figuring out how to maintain and manage that rental portfolio as well.